Hello everyone, today I'm going to make this amazing chicken and sausage gumbo. Let's get started. First, I'm going to cut celery into pieces. Then, peel the carrot and cut off both ends. Quarter the carrot lengthwise. Cut the carrot stalks into dice. Now I'm going to cut the green pepper. Get the knife, start from top, slice all the way around. I'm going to cut the slice into pieces. I'm going to cut the green onion. And don't forget to chop the garlic until finely minced. Next, I'm going to cut the beef smoked sausage. I made chicken broth in advance. I'm going to shred chicken and use the broth later. The recipe has no mushrooms, but I love mushrooms, so I added. Now we are moving to the next step, that is to make roux. I start off by pouring 1/3 cups of vegetable oil. Wait a little while. When you see small air bubbles on the oil, pour in 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Keep stirring until it reaches a nice brown color. It will take around 20 minutes. Now I'm going to cook my vegetables. Give them a nice stir until they are nicely covered by roux. Now add garlic. Then pour in chicken broth we already made. Wait a little while. When it's boiling, put the chicken and sausage in the gumbo. Add half teaspoon of salt, black pepper, creole seasoning and the cayenne pepper. And don't forget to put a bay leaf. After 1.5 hours, I added mushrooms and cooked for another 30 minutes. Meanwhile, my rice is ready. We are ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoy my recipe. See you next time.